We are looking at how to pronounce this word, and we'll be looking at how to say more confusing words and vocabulary in English too many people get wrong, so let's get this right once and for all. It comes from French amateur, and is pronounced two different ways, British English and American English. Let's get through. In British English UK, amateur. You have the phonetic spelling on your screen. Amateur. A stress on the first syllable always. Amateur. American English pronunciation, US. Amateur. Amateur. So you have a chur sound at the end rather than a T sound. Amateur. Or, let's hear it again. Amateur. Now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate the support, it helps a lot, thank you. And more videos for you here to learn more. Sorry, my voice is leaving me too many videos. See you there, thanks for watching.